Oh my god, here it is. One last time. One last time. You want me, boy. The night is young, so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young, so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. Hi guys, I'm at a very bad angle, but please bear with me for another 5-10 minutes. Today is the 1st of July and it is around 2:10 and I'm on my way to my office to hand over all of my belongings, my laptop. There are a few testing devices that I have, so I'm on my way to return them. And I have a mixed feeling, like I am sad, I really don't know what's happening in my mind. My mind has a lot of thoughts that are going. There's a lot of police checking that is going on today because I think Narendra Modi is coming today, if I am not wrong. I am not that up to date with politics or news in general, so I'm not sure about that. But there's a lot of office and police people on the roads, and my phone is moving a lot. But yeah, I'm going through like this. Oh wait, let me try opening this. It'll be nice. Is this how it opens? Yeah, it's nice. Because I'm in this car, I don't have that contraption thingy to kind of like, you know, put that phone over there. So please enjoy the skies because they're very pretty, and I will take you guys along, and maybe then I might go and meet a couple of my friends or anybody here and there, people who live around. So I'll take you guys along.
For a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
One last time.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Alright, my deliveries are done. But one last time, yeah, this office, this lift. Damn it, yeah. Returning things is so easy. Like, you know how they say destroying is easier than creating? It literally took me 5 minutes, that's all. My car is ready. Let's go. Meet some friends. Alright, I'm out of the office and yeah. Officially, I'm no longer an Amazon employee. And it breaks my heart to say so. So much. Alright, now it's time to meet some friends because I cannot sit and sob throughout the house because it's an hour drive to my house and I cannot sob for the love of me. So we're going to meet some friends.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Hi. So, oh, it's a very pretty. Alright, I'm here at my friend's house and the scenery over here is beautiful. I can hear the peacocks going. I think this is like the second place. I usually hear it in my in-laws' place, but it's so nice. Love it. And my hair is as usual being very rolly. Sometimes, I mean, especially today, I think this is all I needed, like a little bit of calm in the chaotic life that's happening. Also, my friend has like a very cool array of plants and fishes, so I'll show you that. And do that hand thing also. Oh my god. అవి చచ్చిపోవా?
నో.
ఇంకా లైఫ్ లాంగ్ ఉంటాయి అవి?
పెరగవు, యా ఉంటాయి. ఎంత లైఫ్ స్పాన్ తెలియదు కానీ.
The cool drinks make me happy. They just do. Anyways, we met my manager for one last time and we're here. I'm waiting for my friend. He went to ask somebody how cute. This is a bike. That's a very, very cute bike. Anyways, yeah. I met my manager for one last time before I go, and he gave me 2 chocolates. That's so sweet. Now I got 2 dairy milks, and I'm really happy about it. And I got a Coke as well. But yeah, that's one good bye to Amazon. I want to talk more about my friendships and all in this particular 4 years and all of that. I will talk about them, but please give me a little time. Let me drop off my friend, and then there he's coming. Let me drop off my friend, and then I'll start talking, because I can't talk in front of him. Like, how can you judge a friendship in front of a friend? You can't. You just can't. Today marks the end of my 5 years journey. Almost 5 years. It's almost 4 years, 8 months. And yeah, it comes to an end today. I have mixed feelings, like I said. I really don't know what I feel. I know it's going to give a huge chunk of loss in a financial way, but maybe in a physical or a mental way it might be good, because I have never taken a break in my life. As soon as my engineering is done, I got into Amazon, and I've been working for the past 4.8 years, almost 5 years. I'm going to say it as 5 years. Almost 5 years I've been working. I've never taken a break. I've never taken like a long leave. I did take it for my marriage, but that's all. Nothing else. So yeah, it's extremely new. Maybe this break gives me a different perspective in life. I am looking for something new, and I will be yeah, I think it should work, right? Like, I should physically or mentally be happy, right? Like, a change is always good. I still remember, see, it's Amazon's principle, like, change is always constant. So I think that would make a lot of sense for me now, and hoping that this beautiful change that I have in my life today can create something new and huge, is what is my opinion. And yeah, now coming to the friendships in Amazon, I have had the best and the worst of ups and downs. I have seen the best of the best friendships that last even till today after 4 years. I've seen the worst of friendships that only last for 2 months. And there's one principle that I've learned a little late, I would say, but I've learned it, is to never mix your professional and personal life. I did do that in the start, but I don't regret anything. But at the same time, when you find few colleagues who turn into friends, they're gonna stay like that forever. So you just have to choose your good people. That is my opinion. And yeah, I had one of the best 5 years. Yeah, it's like an end of an era, like how in Friends Monica says it's an end of an era. It is an end of an era for me, because I've had the best time here in Amazon. I have never regretted taking up Amazon, not even a second. I never even second doubted myself 1 second. And yeah, this is turning out to be more like a praise for Amazon, but I personally have not found anything wrong with it. That's my opinion, not everybody.
Let's go.